Hi, in this tutorial, we are going to show you how to blink an LED using the MSP-EXP 430G2 Launchpad with Energia. First, let's try to simply blink the red LED on the Launchpad board itself. Since the Launchpad has an LED, we don't need any extra components. Simply plug your Launchpad to your computer over USB. Next, let's open up Energia. We'll import an existing code example by going to File, Examples, Basic, and Blink. This code example is relatively simple. We can see that we have a setup and loop portion of our code. In setup, we build the framework and foundation for our project. Since we're blinking an LED, we can use a function called pin mode. The pin mode function accepts two parameters. The first parameter explains which pin we want to configure. The second parameter explains how we want to configure the pin, as either an input or an output. Since we're blinking LEDs, we want to send our pins as outputs. To show which pins we want to use, we can use this pin mapping guide. We can see that the red and green LED on our Launchpad is connected to pin number 2 and pin number 14. And that's all we have to do in setup. Moving down to the loop section, this is where our sketch will spend most of its time. We use two functions here to toggle the LED on and off. The first function is digital write. This function sets our pin on or off. Much like the pin mode function, digital write accepts two parameters. The first for the pin we want to toggle, and the second for the state that we want to toggle the pin to. So we can see that we do this twice in our loop function to toggle the pins to high and then low. However, to slow down the microcontroller, we use a new function called delay, so that we can see both the high and low state for a specified period of time. The delay function accepts just one parameter, which is the number that corresponds to the number of milliseconds that we want to wait for. In this example, we're waiting for 1000 milliseconds, or 1 full second. And that's it. Just run your code by pressing the Verify and Download button and watch your LED blink.